How to add widgetable to a lock screen. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your settings. Once you do that, navigate to the lock screen section. From there, go to the shortcuts. Once you are here, choose whether you want the widgetable shortcut to be on the left or right. I'm going to choose right, so I'll click on the right shortcut option. On this page right here, let's search for widgetable. Once you find it, click on it. As soon as you do that, the widgetable app will be added to the lock screen. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to add widgetable to a lock screen. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.